Good morning, Brad here. We just got back from Oklahoma a couple days ago. Had to work a few days. Now we're gonna try it. We're back in Alabama. I'm gonna try it by boat this morning. See what happens. But I'm gonna show you the video from Oklahoma now. I hope you enjoy it. I appreciate you watching. What's up, guys? Made it to Oklahoma, and we didn't stop at the motel or nothing. We came out here to try to roost some birds. We're out here at a little piece of public out here, or a big piece of public actually. Got my brother Dusty with me right here. We're gonna chase this bird this afternoon. We got an hour or so before dark. We think we got one spotted, but we're not really for sure if it's a turkey or not. It's so far away, but we're gonna try to make it down there. It's close to some roost trees that I had marked on Onyx, and we're gonna see if we can close the distance, see if it's a bird. And if not, we're gonna sit close to these roost trees and see if we can roost the bird tonight. But anyway, we're gonna get after it. We'll talk to you in a little bit. Morning. It's the first morning here in Oklahoma. I'm sitting here waiting on Dusty to crawl out of bed and get stuff ready. But anyway, we went and tried to roost some last night, and the little creek bottom we were sitting in, we seen one hen fly up, but there's a lot of the creek bottom that we couldn't see. He finally decided to join us. But there's a lot of creek bottom we couldn't see, and we're going to slip down there this morning. We didn't see a truck or anything there yesterday, so we're going to slip in there this morning and see if we can hear one gobble. It's not going to be as windy this morning. Wind's going to kick up about 9 o'clock though. It's supposed to get up 20 miles an hour today, so it's going to be a little rough to hear them today, but we're going to do some ride around and explore today and just see what we got to work with. We hadn't heard no gobbles, but when we sat down and it got daylight enough, I called, and that hen answered me. And she answered me back for a minute or so. I had her one more call, and she flew within 4 yards of us. We thought she was going to attack us. But anyway, she flew over here. There's a little food plot deal right over here. She flew over and hit, and she's just over there feeding right now. But we're just gonna sit here and see if we can get a gobbler to come in. These birds are still on the tree, and it's 7:20. You can see how daylight is behind me. We're gonna call to them one more time and see if they might fly this direction. There's either 2 or 3 toms, and then 5 to 6 hens. There's 8 birds. At least 2 of them. At least 2 of them are toms, possibly 3. I'm not for sure. It sounds like a third gobble, but I can't never see them gobble. But me and Dusty's gonna sit right here and wait for them to fly down to make a play on them if they don't come our direction right off the bat. They look like they're fixing to get ready to fly down, so I'm gonna shut this off and get ready just in case. They finally flew out of the tree. We're making a move. They went straight away from us, like they always do for some reason. Anyway, they went on a hillside. And looking at my mouse, it looks like a pretty clear spot that they're just headed towards, so we're gonna drop down the creek bottom they were on. See if we can get eyes on them again and make a play on them. But anyway, it was a lot of fun watching them. We watched them for over an hour, just up there and strutting the tree and gobbling the tree. We're gonna get after it. Well, guys, Oklahoma has whooped us. Good managing one little bird, and it was really tough. We talked to a biologist up here, and he said they had record numbers shot 2 years ago, and that same year and the year before, they had real bad hatches. Last year they had good hatches. So I imagine this place in the next 2 or 3 years, if they keep on having good hatches, we'll be back to the way it's supposed to be. But I hope you enjoyed the video, enjoyed all the pictures. Sorry I didn't get the shot on film, but bird down. And that's what we came for. You know, it's been a lot of fun. Got to see a lot of neat stuff. A whole lot different country than mountains of Alabama, I'll tell you that. But anyway, we almost back at the truck, and we got about a 13-hour drive ahead of us, so we're gonna hit the road early this morning. It's about 9 o'clock. It's supposed to thunderstorm. It's beautiful right now, but thunderstorms are supposed to roll in this afternoon, so we wasn't even gonna try to roost a bird in a thunderstorm. I don't think it'd work too good, but I appreciate you watching. Thank you.